Good morning, Miss John here. I'm down on crosses. I think I had originally 48, and I've given more crosses away than crosses with Bibles. But I made a couple more crosses just now, and I've got six crosses right now to give away, and the Bible. I think I've got 7 Bibles, but a friend of mine from church is getting me more Bibles because I've kind of figured out a good method on giving them away. Is on the weekends there's a lot of people playing soccer in the park up at Kishwaukee Forest, and the ball rolls down the hill and in the river, and I don't know how many balls I've retrieved and given back. So I'm thinking, well, that's a perfect time to give them a cross and a Bible and give them their ball back. But so anyhow, that's the cross production. But I got to thinking here. I stuck my my little kayak that I carved at the foot of the cross here. I ate the candy bar. The candy bar that was there, and I made the joke about lay your sins at the foot of the cross. But I just thought it was kind of neat here. This is one of my favorite verses, Ecclesiastes 2:13, and it goes basically like this version: wisdom excelleth folly, just as light excelleth darkness. And each day I talk to God every day. Throughout the day you just talk to him like he's your best friend, in which he is. And that's why when you're telling people that don't believe in God, it's like they're telling you you can't believe in your best friend. And that verse basically fits that mindset. Wisdom excelleth folly, just as darkness excelleth, or light excelleth darkness. And seems like the world is getting darker and darker. So keep your light lit in it. And yeah, with those thoughts, I'll end this video. So all right, you have a good one. God bless.